Grisha and let's have a look on today's headlines. State level dance festival was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 8 December to 11 December 2021. National Energy Conservation Day was observed by the members of Eastern Railway and North Frontier Railway State Association. Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized commissioners meet at Kolasip district on 10 December 2021. The Scouts and Guides of BSG NF Railway State are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by involving themselves in various programs. On 9 December 2021, Kurnool District, Andhra Pradesh State paid tribute to the Honorable Chief of Defence Staff, Indian Armed Forces, Shri Bipin Rawat. On 12 December 2021, Udupi District, Karnataka State conducted program for 49th month of Shrubh Bharat at Indrali railway station with more than 40 scouts, guides, rovers and rangers. 438th National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Panchmari from 13 to 19 December 2021. Now coming forward to national news, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a state-level Div Dance Festival at state headquarters premises Bhubaneswar from 8 December to 11 December 2021. This camp was inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha State, in the presence of Shri Atanu Sabyasachi Nayak, Honorable MLA and President, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. Chita Ranjan Sahani, eminent Odissi dancer and lecturer in High-Tech Higher Secondary School, Bhubaneswar, and all the state officials. 180 guides and unit leaders from 14 districts joined in the dance festival.
Just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but you. You're my one and only. Ibang babae ay higayang sumabay. Ang pinalabi mo ang lagi kong hinihintay. Oh, binibig, just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but you. You're my one and only. Ibang babae ay higayang sumabay. Ang pinalabi mo ang lagi kong hinihintay.
Plastic-free area cleanliness program was organized by the members of Jawahar Group of South Eastern Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Agra District Association.
जितना प्लास्टिक है उठाओ। चलो 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 चलो, देखो देखो, इधर उधर होगा, देखो और ये देखो इधर है।
The members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Eastern Railway paid tribute to India's first CDS, late Bipin Rawat, his wife and the other soldiers who died in Tamil Nadu chopper crash on 11 December 2021. 1 minute silence was observed for the peace of all the departed souls. National Energy Conservation Day was observed by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Eastern Railway, Asansol District with the collaboration of Electrical General Asansol. 65 rovers, rangers and unit leaders participated in the route march from Electrical General Asansol office to Asansol railway station and created awareness on energy conservation among the young people. This open testing camp was organized by the Garhara District Association at Virendra Sharma Scout Park, Garhara from 13 to 17 December 2021. The camp was inaugurated by Dr. P.K. Singh, District Commissioner Scout, in the glorious presence of Dr. Shalini Jain, District Commissioner Guide, Jeevanand Mishra and Manish Kumar. 14 scouts and 25 guides participated in the testing camp. Members of Southeastern Railway, Adra district organizing physical exercise, games and yoga for physical fitness and community awareness. On 14 December 2021, on the occasion of National Conservation Week, celebrated from 8 to 14 November 2021, members of the Headquarters District Association, North Frontier Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides performed Nukkad Natak on the theme Bijli Bachao Desh Ko Aage Badhao at NF Railway Headquarters premises, Maligaon, Guwahati. Total 30 members participated in the program. Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides Kolasip District organized Commissioners Meet and distribution of warrants of appointment on 10 December 2021 at BRC Kolasip. The District Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides North Frontier Railway State organized different programs in connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on 10th of December 2021, Tinsukia District Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway organized a quiz competition at Hijiguri Railway High School. Groups of 6 students from each class from 6th to 10th standard took part in the quiz competition. The group of class 6 secured the first position, class 9 secured second position and 10th third position. On 12 December 2021, a Nukkad Natak on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was conducted by Bharat Scouts and Guides North Frontier Railway, Lumding District Association at Lumding Station and Monday Disha Station. Altogether 25 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders attend the program under the leadership of Senior DPO cum DCC. Of members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway Tinsukia District Association conducted a sanitation drive on 11 December 2021 at Hijiguri Railway Colony Gate number 3 Tinsukia. 35 members including Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders were present in the sanitation drive. On 9 December 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides AP Model School Orvakal Village BSG unit of Kurnool District, Andhra Pradesh State paid tribute to Honorable Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces, Shri Bipin Rawat. On 12 December 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Udupi District, Karnataka State conducted program for 49th month of Shrubh Bharat at Indrali Railway Station with more than 40 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers. On 12 December 2021, Bhagat Singh Scout Group of Alandur near Tirupur, Tamil Nadu State Training Center planted trees on the occasion of 32nd birthday of Mr. Muthu. Jammu Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized basic course for guide captains at Delhi Public Schools, Zakura, Srinagar from 1st December to 7th December 2021. 32 guide captains participated in the course. North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated Sadbhavna Divas on 11th December 2021 at District Training Center, Subedarganj. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters organized BSG Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0 regional workshop on 16 December 2021 at 10 am to 12 pm and 2 pm to 4 pm IST in Malayalam language, and around 350 participants participated actively. 438 National Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Panchmari from 13 to 19 December 2021, in which 95 participants from Rajasthan, Maharashtra and NF Railway participated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters conducted National Adventure Program at Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 15 to 19 December 2021. 49 participants along with staff from North Central Railway, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Eastern Railway, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. During the camp, participants enjoyed rock climbing, river crossing, Solang Valley, Hitima and trekking, etc.
इसको छोड़ के फिर से लॉक करना है प्रॉपर बाकी ये
Upcoming events. The timeline for submission of applications to 25th World Scout Jamboree is scheduled to be held at Korea in 2023 is extended up to 31st January 2022. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 166 2021 dated 6 December 2021. National Integration Camp Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Kolkata, Assam and Haryana. Venue STC Ganganagar, Kolkata. Date 9 to 13 January 2022 and last date to apply 25th December 2021. South Point School, Guwahati. Date 9 to 13 January 2022 and last date to apply 25th December 2021. NYC Gadpuri Palwal, Haryana. Date 19 to 23rd February 2022 and last date to apply 31st January 2022. Azadi Ka Digital Mahotsav State Master Trainers Training for BSG Digital Smart Generation of Smart 2.0. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 164/2021 dated 3rd December 2021. National Open Unit Rally to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 162 dated 3rd December 2021. National Level Youth Week Celebration Camp to commemorate National Youth Day 2022 as a part of year-long celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 161/2021 dated 3rd December 2021. 23rd International Adventure Program at NAI Panchmari. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 159/2021 dated 30th November 2021. Volunteering opportunity to work with WACS on global level. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 158/2021 dated 27/11/2021. Do something drastic and cut the plastic. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 157 dated 26/11/2021. Second Outstanding Scouts or Guides of the BSG Award 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 156 dated 23rd 11/2021. My Rights and Me as a Leader Seminar of Legal Constitutional Rights will be held at the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi from 20 to 24 December 2021 under Har World, Har Voice project. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 154 dated 18/11/2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for Unit Leaders, District or State Commissioners, Service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, Guide Wing. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 145/2021 dated 28/10/2021.